Hello, dear students. I hope you will be fine. We are delivering a lecture at BITS platform. It's a digital platform. Python learning for absolutely beginner. I hope uh, this effort will be very beneficial for you. Let's move towards our today lecture. We have so far covered up till here concatenate strings. We are following, as you are already familiar with it, w3school.com//Python. This is a very easy written tutorial. And we are also doing parallel our programming, for example, here with PyCharm. It's a very uh, important, IDE in current scenarios. And currently it is being utilized at large. So let's start it. Python format string. How to format a string? We are going to study it. String format, as we learned in the Python variable chapter, we cannot combine strings and number like this. Okay, we can combine two strings of the same format, but we cannot combine string with integer. Here, age is a variable is equal to 36. 36 is being assigned to age is a variable which is type integer class, and text is equal to my name is John, I am, plus here plus is for concatenation for combining purpose. So what is the its output? It will give an error. Let's see in our result here in IDE we are parallelly doing programming. So we execute it, run it. Let's see. Here the output will be shown. What will be its result? So let's see. In a few seconds, here it is error because type error can only calculate string, not int. Okay. If it was, string, here we converted it into string, then this error will be removed. Now 36 has become string. So it is of same category. So that's the now if we run it here now, it will give okay because it will be now string as well. So let's see here. Result will be within few seconds. Here it is. I hope you got it. It means we cannot combine an integer with uh, string through plus sign. Concatenating. Okay. If we write here age and then another variable and plus sign will be used as operator, and it will give result. Move to the next. But we can combine string the number by using fstring or format method. There are format method and fstring. Fstring is a recent method utilized in Python, and format was the previous well-known method, built-in method. So fstring was introduced in Python 3.6 and is now the preferred way of the format string. That's it. To specify a string as an fstring, simply put an f here. F is a keyword in front of the string literal and add curly brackets in this format as placeholder. These will be the placeholders for variable and other operations. Let's see and run an example here. Let's see here. And it is a program and written in tutorial, and we are going to run it and we are going to check its output. Now, if you can see that here we have put F and then my name is John, I am, and now these are the placeholders like this for curly brackets age. Now, age here it is integer, but it will not give an error because of this F formatting message. So now we are going to run it, execute it, and see the result here in our command prompt below of IDE. PyCharm, here it is. That's a fantastic. Placeholders and modifiers. A placeholder can contain variables, operations, function, and modifier to format the value. This is the placeholder. Look at that. Here it is a placeholder calibrator. Look, what can it do? It can contain variables, operations like 5 plus 6, or some variables given very integers, decimal, or complex numbers operation, uh, operators for to for operation purpose, functions, modifiers to format the value. Add a plus for the price variable. Let's see. Another example is here. I think you are getting my point. Here it is. Price is 59. F this price is price because price is 59. So it will be here $59. Price is $59. It will be printed. Now we execute it, run it. Let's see. Here it is $59. I hope you got it. Next. The placeholder can include a modifier to format the value. We can modify it as well. What is the modifier? If it is integer, we can convert it into decimal points, floating point. How it is possible? Let's look at it. A modifier is included by adding colon followed by a legal form tag like this one, dot 2f, which means fixed point number with 2 decimals. Okay, here it is. Price, now price is 59. Here it is 29 will be here and dot 2f. Now, if we write 3f, it will be 3 decimal point. It means the result will be 59.00 because up to 2 decimal points. It is a floating. Let's run it. Here where we say our result. Here it is 59 is converted into 59.00. This is a concept of modifier. Move to the next. A placeholder can contain Python code like math operations. So we can also perform operation in placeholders as well using F command. Here it is. F, formatting very keyword. Here it is. Now it will give the result and we are going to run it. And let's see, here it is the result, not these integers, because when we combine, we will put some operator, it will give the result like in print, if we here give the result, it will give the result. Okay, so here it is. We have reached to the end of this topic exercise. If x is equal to 9, what is the correct sentence to print the price is $9.00. So F is here and here placeholder a 2F. Okay, this thing will print because here recall that double quotation single also are the same and it represents a string. Okay, let's see the result. Here it is, correct one. That's great. Now we are moving to the next topic. Let's see what is it. Python escape characters. Escape character, what are they? Insert characters that are illegal and strike use an escape character. And escape character backslash here followed by character you want to insert. Okay, those characters which are not legal in Python, we can insert those as well using this backslash. Followed by that illegal character. Let's see an example of an illegal character is double quote inside a string that is surrounded by double quotes. Okay, here it is double quote here, but here it is. Let's see what is its result. It's a error. Okay, why it is error? So let's see. We also try to follow in our programming. This is a built-in W3 square syntax. If we give it, it will give some error. Okay. So how to remove this error? And we will look at it. Okay. So we have seen in the here, you can see that this is error. Okay. Why it is error? Because we cannot convert double quoted inside that. Here it is invalid sentence text here. Here it is invalid syntax. Let's see. Okay, I hope you got it. This is the error. We are going to debug it in our next phase. Okay, example. Here it is. To fix this problem, use the escape term. We are going to now use this escape term. If we write it in that way, we can double quote this word as well, which is illegal quoting in directly. As we see in our previous example, here it is. You can see it, and it will be all okay now. If I print it, Viking will be here. I will show the result in our command. Here it is. We are the so-called Viking from the north. That's great. I hope you got it. These are the backslash characters. Which are called escape character. We can insert these escape characters. Okay, then here is the list of escape character. You will have to understand this concept. I am going to run it. Uh, Here it is single quote. It is a backslash. Your double. Here, new line, and it's a carry return, tab, and backspace from feed, octal value, another value. Let's try it one by one. This is it's all right. It's written this. Here it is. It is all right. We can consult. We are omitting, is I. So it's apostrophe in English, and here it's illegal. We cannot directly write here, but we will have to use this one, backslash, to print the result. I hope you got it. Similarly, we go for a backslash, double slash, backslash. Let's see what's the result. We are using now a built-in function of built-in ID of W school here. This will insert one backslash here. Double backslash means one will be utilized for this purpose, but another will be printed here like that. Okay, we got it. And next is new line. If we want to go to the new line, like in many other languages, here, hello, and then we want to go on another word, then we can use backslash and oh, you got it. And next is our carry return. Okay, now here it is. Text hello and carry return void. So it means to put it on the start, it will be omitted. And here it is void. This is concept of carry return. And then is type. Time is equivalent to almost double space. Here it is. Hello world. This space double. It will give double space. Okay. And T. Okay. This T is a carry. Sorry, for typing, and it will give space between hello and world of approximately of 2 spaces, just like on our keyboard. And then backspace, we are already familiar with it. Here it is hello world. Here it was simple space, and single space will be in the backward. Here it will be combined. Okay, hope you got it. And next is our form feed. There is no example. Then octal value. Here it is. We can, here it is. This is a text, and it will be printed hello, but it was written in octal value, backslash followed by 3-digit value result in octal value. Okay. Here 3 value are represented: H for 110, 145 for E, L for 154 with L, and 150 hello, and but it will be printed in our own language, English, and it is for here it is, because we have utilized octal. Here hexa values, let's see in this format, and let's try it out. Here it is hello. We have written in hexa values, and but our result is hello, but this is in hexa. This is the format. Okay, got it. X48 equivalent to H, and similarly up till this. We have got it, and next we are going to move it. Now, string method is a method. Python has a set of built-in methods that can you use on string. All string method return new values. They do not change the original string. So they are not for the purpose of modifying it, changing it original strings, but it will return new values, and the previous will be there as well. So this is we are going to study it. You can practice it in your ID. Utilize it, capitalize, convert the first letter to uppercase. This method will case fold, convert string into lowercase. Center, return the center string, because this will be right left aligned, but it will be recovered to string Count returns the number of times the specific value occurs in string. If we want to see how many times the hello world occurred in a string, here it will return the count 4 times. In code, return the encoded version of string. Coding into coding, converting from one thing to another to deliver the message in code ends with, if turn true, if the string ends with specified value. Here we will give the value and it will return it. And let's see if we try it out one by one. Let's see, here it is. This is a program, Python capitalization, a string capitalize method. We are going to do it. Use here it is, hello and void. It will be first letter will be capitalized. We are going to see it. Hello and welcome to my word. Let's see. The first word is capitalized and all other is same. Definition usage, the capitalized method return a string where the first is uppercase and the rest is lowercase. Syntax, this is this, parameter value no. And then here, no more example. Here is Python is a fun, and if I write it, P will be converted into here capital and rest will be in small. Let's see. Here it is, Python is fun. An example, see what happens if the first is a number, if number, what will be the result? Let's see. So, here it is. It will be same. 36 is my age, only because there is no alphabet here. So, character is here. So, 36 will be same, written in the same direction. And here it is. That's it. So, next is case fold, and there are many, let's see here. There are many methods in this string methods. So, but our